Here's a quick example of an app I built in 5 minutes that would normally cost around $100 a month to run. So all I did was come into Adaptive.ai, which is basically a tool that lets you build apps and automations just by describing what you want in plain English. Instead of writing code or setting things up manually, you just explain the idea and it turns that into something that actually works. After logging in, you'll see something like this. This is basically where you explain your idea to the AI. So in my case, I wanted to build an inventory management app, and this is the exact prompt I gave it. So while the AI does its magic, I will explain to you what the idea behind this prompt is. Basically, it's going to create an app that keeps inventory of products, notifies you when products are about to expire, and when it is time to buy new stock. And this is exactly the kind of tool I was talking about earlier, something simple, but actually useful that people usually pay monthly for. Now, I'll just let the AI run and get back to you guys when it's ready. Alright, so it took about 4 minutes, and this is what it came up with. This is the project, inventory-mgr. After we click it, it takes a while to load, and then we get this interface with the Add Months buttons. Let's press it, and choose April for example. As you can see, a whole new category came up, and this is where we will actually keep inventory. Let's start by adding an item, for example, flour. Now a column, let's say recommended quantity. And another one for the price. You can add as many items as you want and edit every column for each of the items. Let's fill these real quick. And now the batches we were talking about, if we press the 0 from the quantity column, we get a new menu to manage stock. Let's press Add Batch, and as you can see, we can fill the quantity and the expiry date for that product. And a really useful thing, and something I love about this, is that it warns you when each batch of items is going to expire, and it even changes color the closer a product is to the expiration date. Let's add another one expiring later this month, so you can see. And also one sooner. As you can see, it says expired and it turns red. Also, the value in the quantity column is dynamic, changing according to the batches. And it works for every item we have listed. You can add other months, and it even blocks the ones you already have listed. And they all work exactly the same, the columns, the batches, and everything. Now, about this little bell, this is to get notifications whenever you are running out of a certain product or an expiring date is closing. It can send you notifications through email or text messages on your phone, so you know whenever you need to be careful. All you have to do is tell the AI and link an email address so it knows where to send the warning. But that is something we will test the next episode. Now, how do you store your project? Well, Adaptive.ai takes care of that and stores your projects directly on their site, and everything is safe and saved, as you can see. So, this is just an example of how easily you could use this AI to help your business or charge money for helping others. And the best part is that you get 600 credits just for signing up, and you can make 2 apps like these just from those. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more ways to use AI